Chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Today we will start algebraic methods of solution of pair of linear equation. In this, first we will start with substitution method. Substitution method. There are two variables. We substitute value of one variable in another equation and solve the value for x and y. So we explain this substitution method by taking one question. Exercise 3.3, question number first part. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. You can do this by elimination method also. Elimination method is simple, but in this exercise we use substitution method. So how will you do by substitution method? See here, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 2 we get the value of x, 4 plus y. This is 3. Put 3 equation, put in 1. Value of x, put in 1. So instead of x you write 4 plus y. 4 plus y is equal to 14. 2y is equal to 4 उधर चला जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा तो 10. This implies y is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to 5. Put in equation 3. So x is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. This implies x is equal to 9. This is substitution method. Substitute value of one variable in equation 1 and you find the value of y, and then substitute again in equation 3, you can find the value of x. So you have to substitute one variable in other. So I will take another example of this exercise. Second part, s minus t is equal to 3. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. Now you see here, this is first, this is second. From first we can easily find the value of one variable. किसी एक की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. So s is equal to, you can write 3 plus t, make it equation 3. Now put in 1 से निकालिए तो 1 में नहीं रखना, सेम इक्वेशन आ जाएगी, उसको another इक्वेशन में रखेंगे. As we find from equation 1, so we put in equation 2. We see that इधर s की वैल्यू चेंज करेंगे, 3 plus t upon 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now take 6 LCM. 6 को 3 से डिवाइड किया है 2. 3 plus 2 को 3 से किया तो 3t is equal to 6. Cross multiplication, you will get 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 into 6, 36. How many t here? 5t is equal to 6 को the transpose करेंगे, minus 6 हो जाएगा तो 30. 5 will cut 36. T is equal to 6. Put in equation 3. इसको किस में रखेंगे? 3 में रखेंगे. Then you will get s is equal to 3 plus 6. S is equal to 9. In this way, we use substitution method. जहां से भी इजी हो वहां से एक वेरिएबल की इक्वेशन निकाल लेना, दूसरे इक्वेशन में पुट कर देना. You will get the value of that variable. उसकी आ जाएगी, फिर उसको वापस इक्वेशन थर्ड में पुट कर देना. You will get value of other variable. This is the substitution method. Elimination method is easy, but in this exercise you have to find the solution by substitution method. See third part. Question first, third part. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. First we solve, then I will explain you what is inside in this question. Now see, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So y, put y that side and 3 that side. So 3x minus 3 is equal to y. This is equation 3. Y की वैल्यू हो गई 3x minus 3. Put in equation 2. Put in 2. Instead of y, you can write 9x minus 3 bracket 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. 9x minus 9x plus 9 is equal to 9. 9x cancel and you see that x is not, we are not able to find the value of x. It means x has many solutions. See here, you know the condition that if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions. So see here, 3 upon 9, 1 upon 3, minus minus cut 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So here we see that we are not able to find the value of x. So it is of this type, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. So x and y have infinitely many solutions. Now, fourth part. See, fourth part. Substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Okay. Now rewrite again. If you remove point, how many digits in point? 1. So it is 2 upon 10x plus 3 upon 10y is equal to 1.3 का point हटेगा 10 नीचे आएगा. This also you can rewrite 4 upon 10 point हटेगा 1 0 नीचे जाएगा point हटेगा plus 5 upon 10y is equal to 23 upon 10. Take 10 LCM, you see that 10 10 10 cut. So you will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. You can do by elimination method. It is very easy. Multiply by 2 and remove the x. Now by substitution method, first, second, take the value of suppose y. 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x upon 3. This is equation 3. Put in equation को क्या करेंगे? Put in equation 2. इसको इसमें रखिए. y को एलिमिनेट कर रहे हैं, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं. वैल्यू ऑफ y we are going to substitute 4x plus 5 bracket 13 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to 23. Take 3 LCM, then what you do? This is 12x, 1 divided by 3 and multiplied by 4. 12x plus 13 5s are 65 minus 10x is equal to 23 into क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 23 into 3 यानी कि 69. Now this 12 minus 10 2x 65 को उधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे माइनस हो जाएगा 69 minus 65 means 4. X is equal to 2. You get x is equal to 2. Put in equation 3. You will get y. इसको इसमें रखिए y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2. x की जगह क्या रख दिया 2 upon 3. 13 minus 4 upon 3. y is equal to 9 upon 3. It means 3. y is equal to 3. So this is the substitution method. See here, fifth part root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Equation 1, equation 2. Here you see that root 2x is equal to from 1 minus root 3y. Now see, x is equal to minus root 3 upon root 2y. This is equation 3. Put in 2. 2 में रखेंगे तो x हटेगा क्या आएगा root 3 माइनस आगे आ गया root 3 root 2 y minus root 8 y is equal to 0. Take out y common तो क्या बचा? Take out minus y common. So here बचा 3 upon root 2 plus root 8 is equal to 0. So you see that if this is suppose irrational number, we divide it by 0, it becomes 0. See here, y is equal to minus 0 upon 3 root 2 root 8, it is 0. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 0. Put in 3, you will get anything multiplied by 0, you will get x also 0. Here you observe that if in equation, this is a linear equation in two variable, अगर constant नहीं होता है equation में, then it is of type ax plus by is equal to 0. This type of equation is always passed through origin. कहाँ से पास होंगी ये? Origin. That's why the solution is 0 0. Question third. Now it is a problems. You make a linear equation and then solve. First part. The difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers. So we will let the numbers be x and y such that x is greater than y. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या दिया हुआ है? According to question ATQ, x minus y is equal to 26, and one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. It is already big, so we multiply by smaller side. One number is 3 times the other. This is first and this is equation second. Now put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1. We get x हटा के क्या लिख देंगे? 3y minus y is equal to 26. 2y is equal to 26. This implies y is equal to 13. Put in 2, you will get x is equal to 3 into 13, x is equal to 39. Now, second part I will take the larger of two supplementary angle. You know what is supplementary angle? Let the supplementary angle is sum is 180. Let two angles B, x degree and y degree. Its sum is, according to question, its sum is given to you 180. Its sum is given to you 180. Here one angle x degree is like greater than y. So sum is 180. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Exceeds the smaller. Larger कितना बड़ा है? 18 बड़ा है. So we will add 18 this side. This side. X is exceeds 18. Larger angle is exceeds 18 to the smaller angle. So this is 1. This is 2. Put 2 in 1. We get, इधर से x हटेगा, y plus 18 is equal to 180. This implies y is equal to 180. Y is plus y also, plus y. ये y जो है, x की जगह तो अपन ने रखा y plus 18 plus y. This implies 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. It means 2y is equal to 162. This will cut y is equal to 81. Put in 2. इसको 2 में रखेंगे. You will get x is equal to 18 plus 81 plus 81 plus 18, you will get x is equal to 99. X is equal to 99. Question 5, third, fifth part. The taxi fare in a city consists of fixed charge, like fixed charge B rupees X, and together with the charge for the distance covered. So charge per kilometer B rupees Y. For a distance of 10 kilometer, he paid rupees 105, and for 15 kilometer he paid rupees 155. Now according to the question we made equation. 10 किलोमीटर टोटल रुपीस कितना दिया उसने 105. उसमें क्या इंक्लूड था? फिक्स चार्ज इंक्लूड था. x plus 10y is equal to 105. x plus 15y is equal to 155. This is first, this is second. You also calculate in this question what are the fixed charge and charge per kilometer. How much a person have to pay for the traveling of 25 kilometer. अगर 25 किलोमीटर गया तो उसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा? उसको पे करना पड़ेगा x plus 25y. So we have to calculate fixed charge and charge per kilometer. Now this is easy for by this if we do this question by elimination method, it is very easy. But in this exercise we have to solve by substitution method. So from equation 1 we have to find the value of x. 105 minus 10y. This is equation 2. इसको किसमें रख देंगे? Put in 2. Instead of x you can write 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. So 10 minus 10 plus 15, 5y. 155 minus 105, it means 5y is equal to 50. It means y is equal to 10 rupees. चार्ज पर किलोमीटर कितना आ गया? 10. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? Put in 3. Put in 3, you will get x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. So x is equal to 105 minus 100. It means x is equal to 5 rupees. X आ गया 5, y आ गया 10. Now, how much we have to pay for 25 kilometer? So putting the values here, x is 5 plus 25 into 10, 5 plus 250, 255 rupees if you travel 25 kilometer. Now, question number 3rd, 6th part. Fifth part. A fraction becomes 9 upon 11. So let the fraction be x upon y. Let the fraction be fraction x upon y. Now according to the question, it becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. 2 is added to the numerator, 2 is added to the denominator. The fraction becomes 9 upon 11. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. अगर 3 numerator में ऐड करते हैं, 3 denominator में ऐड करते हैं, तो it becomes 5 upon 6. So, cross multiply and make a linear equation. 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So it becomes 11x minus 9y. 22 में से इधर 18 लाएंगे, 22 minus 18, it will become 4. This is equation 1. Now cross multiply. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So it becomes 6x minus 5y, 18 minus 15, it becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. So what is the value of y from 1? So 11x plus 4, 1 implies 11x plus 4 is equal to 9y. So 11x plus 4 upon 9 is equal to y. This is equation 3. Put in 2. इसको किस में रखते हैं? 2 में रखते हैं. So 6x minus 5, ये y हटेगा. 11x plus 4 upon 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now take 9 LCM. 54x minus 55x plus minus 20 is equal plus 3 is equal to 0. Now take 9 LCM, so it is 1 divided by 9, it is 27. Now cross multiply, जब cross multiply करेंगे तो 9 0 हो जाएगा, 0 into 9 0. So 54 minus x and minus 20 is equal to 0. So minus x minus 20 plus 27 also, this is 27, is equal to 0. It means x minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Put in 3. Put in 3. Putting the value of x here. So 11 into 7 plus 4 upon 9 is equal to y. 77 plus 4, 81 upon 9 is equal to y. 9 is 81. This implies y is equal to 9. So fraction becomes x कितना आया 7, y कितना आया 9. So this is the fraction 7/9. Question third, sixth part. 5 years hence, 5 साल बाद में, the age of Jacob will be 3 times old as his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So there is a father and a son. So let Jacob age be x years, son's age be y years. In first set, according to the question, 5 years hence, 5 साल बाद जैकब कितना हो जाएगा x plus 5, दोनों में 5 ऐड हो जाएगा. So 5 years hence Jacob will be 3 times as old as his son. It is already 3 times. When we will equate, we multiply 3 times to the son side. This is Jacob's side, this is son side. This is Jacob's side, this is son side. So we multiply 3 times to the son. This is one set. Now 5 years ago. Now he says 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले. So we will subtract 5 from Jacob's side, 5 from son's side. Jacob was 7 times old. How many times old? 7. ये already 7 है. जब भी बैलेंस करेंगे तो we multiply 7 to the son side. कहाँ multiply करेंगे? son की तरफ multiply करेंगे. This is Jacob. So from this we see that x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. So x minus 3y, 15 इधर आ जाएगा, minus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now from this, x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. Now take 7y here, x minus 7y minus 35 इधर आ जाएगा तो प्लस का हो जाएगा और ये माइनस जाएगा तो उसमें से 30 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. From equation 1 you can find the value of x. X is equal to, you say 3y plus 10. This is equation third. इसको कहाँ रखेंगे? Put in 2. इसमें रख दीजिए, x हटाइए. Put it 3y plus 10 minus 7y plus 30 is equal to 0. See here, 7 plus minus 7 plus 3 minus 4y plus 40 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 40. This means y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10. Put in 3. y को यहाँ रख दीजिए. So x आ जाएगा. What is y? 3 into 10 plus 10. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. It means son's age be 10 years and x father's age be 40 years. This is the answer.